Okay, I'm going to do a little test about uh, the glancing blows. So, spawn myself in level 1 iron reinforced club, so that does 18 damage. Arlene here has got 125. If I hit her in the butt, so that means no headshot bonus, she loses 20. So the 20 would make sense because I do have some perks, which would make my damage a little bit higher. So let's try. So if I do the head, it should be twice, so it should be 40. So we went. Oh, that was more than 40. All right, just get out of here. Ooh, all right. So did you see that? I got her with the area, or with the glancing blow. So if we go in here and do show swings, that way you can actually see the way the game applies damage. So with a club, the vertical swing is done with the left click attack, and the horizontal swing is done with the right click attack. And so if I hit right here, let's go right here. So I got 1, 2, 3 hits on 3 different zombies, but they were all um, glancing blows. Let's get rid of them real quick. And I just want to get these guys spread out a little bit further. So left click away. So let's see, how do I want to do this? Let's do it like this. So this should miss completely because the swing is going to be vertical. So I actually did get a hit out of that somehow, which I wasn't expecting. And that did 2 damage. If we do it on her boob, that did a little bit more, but the game actually didn't indicate the hitbox there. Um, let's do it right here. So again, on her back, if we do a right click here, we can see that that area is where the actual hit occurred. Do that again. So there the game isn't showing where that was. But yeah, the glancing blows are garbage. So she's at 65, 59. It's almost useless. 59, still 59. That was 6 damage. We do 1 shot in the head. Oops. And she's dead. So again, headshot glancing blow. Let's do it right behind her. 125 to 122 with a power attack. And if we go straight to the head, 122 to 29. So insanely more damage. And again, we'll do a left click to the left of her head. Did 6 damage. Left click to the right of her head. Another 6 damage. Power attack across her belly. A lot of damage. That was a left click on her head. And another one. So Cage is right. I mean, the amount of damage you're getting is effectively irrelevant. But the nice thing is that you can get the buffs. So if this had, well, actually, let's do that. Let's get a mod. What do I need? I need the barbed wire mod should do bleeding, right? Bleeding damage. So if I modify this, throw that on there, I should be able to get a bleeding bonus. No, I'm not. Ooh, that's interesting. That was a regular hit. And she's still not bleeding. It's still not bleeding. Still not bleeding. Well, Dan did say that bleeding was broken. Let's get a knife. Oops. Come on, game. Get that over here. So if I give her a regular stab, okay, she's bleeding, the gore mod is showing she's bleeding, and the damage going down is showing that she's bleeding. So let's wait for the bleeding to stop. Or just get another one. So let's do a glancing blow. So she's bleeding. So I did almost no damage, but she is getting bleeding damage. Let's try a burning shaft mod on here. You done bleeding? Yes, she's done bleeding. Okay, so that was a glancing blow, and we applied the burning buff. So that's a little short video for everyone. Hope you find it useful.